Greetings everyone, hope you're all keeping well out there. As some of you may or may not know, my name is Alex and today we are here to do a quick unboxing and demonstration for the Veenax Pogo Wireless Sport Earbuds. Now I've tested quite a few pairs of headphones on my YouTube channel, and once Veenax got in touch and asked if I could review theirs and test them out, I've got to admit I was quite excited because during my research the sound quality on these is meant to be quite phenomenal. It's meant to be really up there in terms of high quality. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to unbox these, test them out and just see how good they really are. Okay then, so this is the box that they arrived in. As you can see, it's a nice matte black finish there, and I must admit I do like it when they go all out on the style of the box because it feels really quite expensive and luxurious almost. And then on the side you've got here some information: secure and comfortable fit, HD stereo sound, powerful bass, and of course noise cancelling microphone, which is obviously very good if you are expecting some calls whilst you're doing your workout or something like that. Okay then, so let's open these up and here we go. Right then, so inside it looks like you've got this additional carry case, which is, so it's a strong rubber material. It's got a little zip pouch around there as well. Veenax logo once again is engraved or raised on the pouch. Open it up. And there they are, the headphones themselves. They are a bit bigger than I thought, I've got to admit. I don't know why. Me personally, I prefer earbuds, the smaller the better. That's just my personal opinion, don't get me wrong there. But these have been designed so they will stay in your ear during vigorous sport workouts. And as you can see here, on this, if I push that wire through, this is what actually helps it stay in your ear nice and secure, because this can actually fit on the inside of your ear and it just gives that extra bit of security. Now, like I said, they are a bit big, but they feel really nice. They've got a really luxurious, smooth feel to them. So overall, in terms of unboxing, I'm quite impressed with that really. It looks really nice. I'm a bit disappointed with the actual casing, but the earphones, which is obviously the main thing I'll be looking at, feels and looks really nice. So now, we're gonna pair these up and test them out. Okay, so I'm testing it out on my iPhone 7 Plus. The headphones are not switched on yet. I'm going to see how long the overall process takes to turn them on and connect. So here we go then. So settings, Bluetooth on. So that is now searching, and I'm going to turn this on. So 3, 2, 1, here we go. There we are. Really was fast, that. And there we go. So now it's connected. And it sounds like you get a little voice confirmation there as well. So let's just see how comfortable they are. Just adjusting a little extra. That is unbelievably comfortable. I cannot believe they feel really nice. They really do. Super lightweight. There's no way that's going to be a problem there. And as you can see, I've now adjusted these so they won't fall out, and they are not going to fall out. That is really something. Okay, then, so the sound quality. Let's try this out. Okay, so I know that was just one song, but that is unbelievable sound quality. You can just hear how good they are. That's probably, in terms of sound quality, when it comes to a budget range of headphones, these have topped it. They really have. I am lost for words. I really am, how amazing that sound quality is. The bass was really sharp, crystal clear. And I mean beyond crystal clear of how good the sound quality was. That is unbelievable. And there was no distortion. There was absolutely no distortion whatsoever, which is usually one of the biggest problems when it comes to headphones, is that the louder the volume is, the distortion just becomes really obvious and it just becomes off-putting then when you want to listen to your favourite song. But that has worked well. Minor drawback, however, is what I don't like on headphones, again it's my personal opinion, is when you press the volume up or down, you do get a little beep. So it goes beep every time you press the volume to go up, or beep every time you press the volume to go down. So just for this unboxing and demonstration, they have blown me away. Well done to Veenax there, because they are truly phenomenal. And of course, to get the ease of use there, you put a magnet round and they just hang around your neck if you wanted to stop and have a chat to someone or just wear them on the way. But it's great, absolutely fantastic. Now, of course, that was just a quick unboxing and demonstration, and if you want to see a full review for the Veenax Pogo wireless sports earbuds, then feel free to click on the link in the description where you'll find it there and you'll be able to watch it and, of course, hopefully get an overall opinion of just how good they really are. But of course, if you've got any questions or comments that you'd like to ask me about these sport wireless earbuds, then please feel free to put it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you with the answer as quickly as possible. And of course, finally, if you did enjoy this video, then please show your appreciation by giving it a wonderful thumbs up and of course clicking that fantastic subscribe button. But until next time, thank you once again for watching and I'll hopefully see you at some point very soon. Thank you.